Hi friends, hello everyone. In this video today I am going to show you that how to create a free website and how to launch a WordPress website. So in this video actually I have already explaining about that infinityfree.net in the last video. So for those who do not understand this concept of infinityfree.net, I am going to give this video in the ending of the description. So and please go to the video and watch it everyone. So first of all, now I'm going to show you the first of all I'm going to launch this WordPress website. So if you first of all if you want to launch the WordPress website, I'm going to the link website. It has a infinityfree.net. So first of all, we have for those who do not have an account of this infinityfree.net, I'm going to give this link in the description, and please create your account and please create your domain and hosting in the infinityfree.net. I'm going to show you that how I'm going to create a domain and hosting in the infinityfree.net. So let's move on to the session, guys. Let's wait all of you. This was the this was my homepage of infinityfree.net. That means I have already created this account for me. So that's why now I'm going to show you here. So this was the home page only. So actually here it is showing that already three websites are you can create until only three websites are there. So that's why I'm going to deactivate one of the website, and now I'm going to show you the how to create a new another website. Let's let's watch everyone. So if you first of all, if you want to deactivate this one of the website in the website name it as infinityfree.net. So I'm going to select one of the website that too I'm going to deactivate that website. So first of all, I'm going to deactivate this website only. So first of all, you have to click on manage button is there. No? You have to click on manage button. First of all, you have to click on manage button, and after that, after you have clicked it as a manage button, see here four options are there here only. No? So first of all, you have to select the third option. It has a edit account is there. You have to click it as a edit account. So see, after you have clicked it as a edit account, so in the last option is there. There is a delete account is there. Is the delete account is there? No. So you have to click on deactivate the account. Your has been deactivated successfully. So let's wait. See, let's wait. This it's a very simple guys. So let's wait, all of you. Your account, my account will be deactivated in 1 minute only. So let's wait. Now I'm going to refresh this website. See, here it is showing that your account is now being deactivated only. So let's wait. I'm going to refresh this website. After you have refreshed this website, there is a you can create a new domain. So let's wait. But still it is processing only, so that's why let it be take for 1 minute. See, and again I'm refreshing. So meanwhile, this was an example that this was the example that I have already. I am deactivating this one of the website only. So there is the simplest way, guys. And after that, you can create a new domain name hosting in this website of infinityfree.net. Let's wait. See here it is showing that you have reached the limits of free hosting accounts are there. If you want to need more websites, first of all you have to go to the click it as a premium hosting is there. You have to purchase the premium hosting, and you can create a many as well as many domains, and you can create a hostings also. So let's wait. See, you can create only three accounts. So there are only three accounts that has been active only. So one of the website has been it has been deactivating only. So let's wait. I'm going to the click it as a on that website name. See, here is showing the let's wait. We are updating your account designer. So let's wait for another 2 to 5 minutes. I'm going to show you here. Let's wait. Okay, let's look into the video, everyone. So my account has been one of my website has been deleted only. So and let's see here all of you. It has been deactivated only. Active means that website is not deactivated only. So now I'm going to create another website. See, if you want to create another website, here it is in the right side. Here it is showing that create an account button is there. You have to click on create an account button. See, now I have clicked it as a create an account button. So first of all, now I'm going to create a new domain for myself. So let's see here all of you. I'm going to create a if you want to select a subdomain or otherwise you can select it as a custom domain also. That's as your base of. So I'm going to type it as a sample website, but it's single. And after that, see here it is showing the domain extensions is there. No, if you can select any one of the extension domain. So I'm going to selecting it as a only for rf.jv is there. So and after that you have to click on search domain. See, I have whatever I have entered the new domain. That new domain is available already, available now. So and after that you have to enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password. It very carefully everyone of you. But and after that you have to click on create an account. Let's wait everyone. Now I'm going to click it as a create an account. Okay. So let's see everyone. After you have clicked it as a create an account, you'll be get two options only. First one option is view in client area. View in client area. Then second option is you have to go to the control panel. Option is there. So let's say if you want to activate the SSL certificate means first you have to go to the SSL certificate is there. No, let's wait. I'm going to the free SSL certificate is there. I'm going to the free SSL certificate. Let's wait. I'm going to show you. See here all of you. I'm going to click it. First of all, I'm going to click it as management. So let's wait. Free SSL certificate. I'm going to this link it as a free SSL certificate option is there. So I'm going to here. Let's look at very properly all of you. So now I'm going to show you that how I'm going to create a free SSL certificate. So these are the example that I have already created itself only. So first, if you want, I have already added a new domain in this website node, So I'm going to add a SSL domain also. So let's wait. I have already selected it as a subdomain on the subdomain is better to use. So I'm going to whatever you have entered the new domain, you have to enter the domain name here also. So and after that you have to select the domain extension. Let's wait. On job GT I have already selected only, so that's why if you want to select you can select anything. Go get SSL is the best way that you can select on this. So there is no but there is no select only. So let it be like let it be there for code get SSL. So and after that, yeah, final option is there. You have to click on add SSL domain is there. So now I'm going to click it as a add SSL domain. So your domain SSL domain will be activated within few minutes only. Meanwhile, I'm going to launch the WordPress website. See, so let's wait, all of you. In this request SSL certificate is there now. You have to click it as a request SSL certificate. Let's wait. This was the example that I have. So now I'm going to click it as a request SSL certificate. So how I'm going to create it? Let's look at very properly, all of you. So first of all, see here record name, domain destinations, current destinations are there now. So now I'm going to paste it only record names and destination. So let's wait. How I'm going to paste it, the records and destination. First of all, you have to go to the option. You have to go to the control panel. Control panel option is there. You have to go to the control panel option. And you have to let's see what everyone. So and after that you have to click on approve and your control panel account will be open. So let's wait. Okay, see, let's wait out. Okay, in this control panel you have to go to the option it as a CNAME is there. CNAME. So CNAME records is there. You have to click on CNAME records and after you have clicked it as a CNAME records, they'll be shown that record name. You have to paste the record name and destination name. Whatever you have created a new domain itself, they'll be shown like only. So let's look at to the system, everyone. See, this was the session that whatever I have already created in a new domain is there. It's there only. So and after that, now I'm going to first of all now you have to paste it. Your record name is there. No? So now I'm going to paste this record name. Okay. Now I'm going to paste this record name. And after that, you have to paste you have to paste the destination also. So destination is there. You have to select it and you have to click on copy and you have to paste it here. So after you have pasted it, you have to click on add it button. Let's wait. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you the examples only. So let's wait. This was the example. Let's wait. But till now, I didn't get a certificate on it. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to launch a WordPress website. So now I'm going to launch the WordPress website. Let's go to the control panel option. See, everyone, all of you. Now, first of all, now I'm going to install the WordPress. You have to go to the software option. Software plus option is there. No, you have to click on software plus option. And after that, let's see. Software plus app install is there. No, you have to click on software plus app installer. And after that, you have to install the WordPress. Now I'm going to install the WordPress. Let's look at very carefully, all of you. So now I'm going to click it, install it as a WordPress. So This was the example. I'm going to type WP only, or otherwise, and after that, admin admin account is there. You have to create your username and password is compulsory mandatory. So now I'm going to the creating username and password in this WordPress website. So, okay, let's okay. Now I'm launching this WordPress website. Okay, and after that, you have to click on install. Let's wait. Let's wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Let's wait. I'm going to the website here. This was the example that I've already created now. So I'm going, and after that, you have to log into the account. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait, guys. I'm going to show you here only. Let's wait, all of you. Let's wait. See, finally, my dashboard has been launched in the Infinity Free.net only. In the Infinity Free.net only. So first, I'm going to create a how to create a free website. So see. Let's see here, all of you. First of all, if you want to create a free website, see in this option of appearance, you have to go to the appearance and you have to click on themes, and you have to select a Astra theme. Astra theme is very important that we can create a website. So let's now I'm going to select it as a Astra theme. Let's see, or in this add new button is there, you have to click on add new button, or otherwise plus button you can select click it as a plus button also. So that's why I've already clicked it as a add new button only now. So let's see. Okay. So see, let's see. I'm going to the theme, name it as a Astra. Okay, let's see. This was the Astra theme. Is there no? You have to first of all you have to click on install it, and after that you have to activate it for the Astra theme. After you have activated that as an Astra theme, and you have to go to the plugins option. Now I'm going to the plugins option. Is there no? Now I'm going to see. Let's see. will be activated within 1 minute for Astra things. Let's look at very carefully all of it. But it will be work 100% surely. So let's wait. Oh, and after that, afterwards, you have to click on activate. Now I'm going to click on activate it. So let's click on activate button. Finally, Astra has been activated. And in the upside, here it is showing that thank you for installing Astra is there now. You have and after that you have to click on get started button is there. You have to click on get started button. Let's now I'm going to click it as a get started button. It now it's activating already. So let's look at to the session everyone very carefully all of you. So this was the very simplest way I'm going to create a how to create a free website. Let's look at very carefully all of you. And see, you can select any page builder building is there now. You can select any one of the page builders. So in this Gutenberg, Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Brizy is there now. So I'm going to selecting it as a element only. So let's now I am going to selecting it as a Elementor. Let's let's click on Elementor. So let's look at once very carefully all of you. So I'm going to selecting it as a Elementor only. So after you have selected it as a Elementor, so you can select any one of the theme is there. So I'm going to let's see. I'm going to click it as a only for free only. Let's see. I'm going to the website name. That's it. I'm going to selecting it as a business coaching consulting is there. I'm going to this was the business coaching and consulting thing. I'm going to select it. So in the down of the option import site is there. You have to click on import site. Before you are importing the site, first of all you have to click on preview this site. Everyone very carefully. So this was the example now I'm going to show you here once. So see, this was the example I'm going to show you. Home or about services. Let's see. These all are the examples that they were shown in this theme only. So directly I'm going to selecting this theme only. So let's I'm going to click it as a import complete site. Now I'm going to click it as a import complete site. Let's wait. And after that, you have to fill all those steps only. Is there? You have to fill the steps also. So especially, I'm going to selecting it as a for beginner, or if you want to select it as an intermediate, you can select the intermediate also. So, but this was the example and that now I'm going to show you that how to create a free website. I'm going to selecting it as a only for beginner. So let's and after that you have to click on next button. And after that, you have to enter your name and Gmail also. I'm going to enter my name, and I'm going to enter the Gmails also. So, and after that, you have to click on submit and start importing. Now let's wait. Your theme will be activated within 1 minute only. Let's wait. Means it will be activated within 2 to 5 minutes only. Let's wait, all of you. This meanwhile, this was the example that I'm going to show you here. Only, let's the site will be activated within 1 minute only. So especially, and I have already shown you that about. See, meanwhile, I'm going to the click it as a service button only. So how that design in the another option name service only. So let's see here all of you. This was the example. And after that, if you contact also work with me, many options are there. If you, I'm going to change all these options only. So let's wait. Let's wait all of you now. I'm going to change all those things in this theme mode. But there is no need to go to the plugins and you have to install the Elementor only. So, but I'm not going to install Elementor only, but because I have already installed it as a Astro theme. I have already installed it as a Astro theme. So that's why I have gone to the Astro theme and I have already selected it as a Elementor. Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait all of you and how I am going to design this free WordPress or free website. So let's wait. And finally, what is very successful, So after that, you have to click on view site. So now I'm going to design the how to create a free website. Let's move on to the session, guys, everyone. That means I have already selected it as a element role, So directly, let's see, look at very carefully all of it. So this was the example. Let's see. Now I'm going to edit all these. So and after you have in the up of the edit with Elementor is there. So now I'm going to click it as a edit with Elementor. So now I'm going to edit all these things. Let's watch everyone very carefully. Let's wait for fun. Now I'm going to the site only. So let's see here all of you. I'm going to change all those things here. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to edit all these things here. So let's see. I'm going to enter the title name as a create a free WordPress, create a free website. Free website. Okay. And after that, see, you have to edit all those things here. Click here to join here. Click here. I'm going to type it as a click here. Or otherwise, by now or otherwise, you have to read what is there. So I'm going to selecting and typing it as a read more. I'm going to the type it as a read more. So let's see here all of you. I'm going to change all those things here. So especially I'm going to delete these things. So I'm going to I'm going to removing this option. Let's see. And after that, you have to click on plus button is there, no? And after that, you have to drag a widget page. So now I'm going to selecting it as another section. So I'm going to select it's three and so is there, no? So now I'm going to select this three lines. So first of all, I'm going to paste paste this link in the. Let's look at very properly all of you. Okay, now I'm going to the session. Let's so I'm going to remove this also. That's it. This was the example that I'm going to show you here once all of you. Meanwhile, I'm going to paste this photo to my photo only. So I'm going to show you. Look at it carefully on all of you here. So this was a very simple guys. I'm going to show you here. So especially look at very carefully all of you. And if you want to select a LM or many, or otherwise if you want to upload your personal photo, I'm going to select this files and I'm going to upload my photo also. So I'm this was the example I'm going to show you here how I'm going to uploading my photo. Let's see. See, I'm going to upload this photo on itself, and after that you have to insert this picture only. That's it. I'm going to insert this picture into website. Let's see. You have to click on insert media, and you can change you can change all these things. So especially, so this was the example. I'm going to type it as a hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is here for the online trainer of digital marketing on the marketing. So this was the first time I'm conducting the first time I am conducting in online. These are the example. Okay, this was the example I am showing you here. See, this was the sample, and let's wait here. I'm going to this photo line is that I'm going to selecting it as a photo. So let's and after that I'm going to select it as another photo, and after that you have to click on press button. I'm going to select this another photo also. So I am going to paste these three photos in this website only. So especially let's see. This was the example. So now I'm going to paste the three images in this website. So I'm going to paste it now only. So now I'm going to upload those three images. Let's see here all of you. So first of all, I'm going to upload it as a WordPress image. Let's see. Next point is that I'm going to select it here. That's it. I'm going to paste all those pictures into WordPress website. That's it. I'm going to insert all those images in the website only. So and after that, final final option is that how I'm going to paste it here. So let's look at with this video everyone will properly. So and I have finally have already answered this pictures only. And or otherwise after that inserting this picture you can write this websites only. So these are the examples. So see, I'm going to select it here also. Free online trainer by Venkata Ludacha. Free online digital marketing trainer. This was the example. See, finally, let's see here all of you will look at very carefully. This was the example. See, if you have any questions to call me, I'm going to change this number already. So I'm going to change my number. This number to my number. Let's wait. I'm going to edit all these things in the numbers only. So especially or otherwise, this was the example that I'm going to show you here only. And if you want to change all this, you have to click on update. You have to click on update button. So I'm going to show you. This was the finally how I'm going to click it as the update button. So after you have clicked it as the update button, you have to go back to the WordPress website. So let's see. Now I'm going to refresh this WordPress website only. Let's after you have refreshed this WordPress website, you have to go to the your blog. Let's say I'm going to my blog website. See, everyone very carefully, all of you. Now I'm going to show you this blog. Whatever I have edited, all those things, you know. So see here, all of you. This was the editor. See, and after that, I'm going to change my number itself. So let's. If you want to change my, if you want to change all those things, that means you have to click on customize option is there. No? You have to click on customize option. So now I'm going to click it as a customize option and I'm going to edit all those things and change all those things. And finally I'm going to change my numbers also. So let's see, look at very carefully also. This was the example that I'm going to show you itself only. So and after that you you can change your background images also. That's why, but this was the example only, but I'm not going to show you here. Once look at to this system very carefully, all of you. So let's look at to the system all of you. So whatever I have already installed the Astra theme, so you have to go to the Astra theme and you have to change, you have to edit your mobile numbers or phone numbers, or if you want to change your background, you can change it in this themes only exactly. So I'm going to show you here. So this was the example. You want to change the globe. First of all, now I'm going to the option it as a global only. So let's wait. Now my net has been loading audio. Let's wait for that. So this was the example. So this was the example that I have shown you here only. Itself. So let's wait. If you want to change the colors also, you can change it here. You can change any colors also, for especially, but I'm not going to change any colors only. So that's why directly now I'm going to go back to the next option is the container. See here. I have changed the container page. Let's look at very carefully all of you. So this was the example. And after that, let's see it all of you. Now I'm going to change all this numbers itself only. So here it is showing that contact information is there. So if you want to, now I'm going to enter my details itself only. So let's look at to this session very carefully, all of you. I'm going to enter my details itself. So let's look at everyone very carefully, all of you. I'm going to enter my details. This one, example details. So okay. I'm going to enter my PIN code, phone number. I'm going to enter my phone number also. And after that you have to click on publish. Whatever we have entered all those details in my contact information. Now I am going to click after that you have to click on publish or otherwise you can change here click links or you can change all those things. Although this was the example I have shown you in this website only. Okay. Now I am going to click it as a publish button. So now I'm going to click it as a publish button. Let's fix this one. And after you have clicked it as a publish button, now I'm going to show you the final example that how I made the free website or how to create a free website. Let's let's move on to the final session everyone. Now this was the example that finally I have done this website. Let's look at everyone very carefully. It's a very simple guys. This how to create a free website. If you want to change all those backgrounds, you have to go to the customize or you can go to the edit with element research. You can change all those backgrounds itself only. So I have already uploaded these features in the Elementor only. So and after that here I have already edited all those details especially. So and after that if you want to change home about services contact is there, no? you have you have to go to the customize option and you have to edit and you have to create your own names. So so let's see here all of you. Now I'm going to the about session. See, this was the example only. If you want to edit the about session, or about session means you have to go to the page season. You have to click on add a new page. You have to click on add a page, and after that you have to select a about and you have to edit you can edit the about our services and contact also. So this was the example that I'm going to show you here on the itself. So that's all guys for today's session. Thanks to thanks to everyone for those who are watching my video everyone. But please go, that's all only everyone. And finally, for those who do not didn't watch my video, please watch my video again and again, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. That's all, guys. It's a very simple, guys.